Okay, try to finish and stick your stickers or fix your stickers on the board. So here you should have 9 stickers. Who has fixed? Why? Something you don't do correctly? Interesting. So are you in the computer or in a phone? So maybe it could be a problem. I'm not sure. I don't know why. So we usually work and it's not a problem to fix. I worked yesterday too with students and it worked. It's okay. So try once again. Maybe you will succeed. What about others? So then if you don't succeed, Valeria, you could write in the copybook and you will read your information. Okay, so Andrea is ready. Bogdan, it's okay. So, but you could edit, yes. Okay. So let's wait for others. So quickly do it. Finish and send. Yes, finish and send. So till you are sending, please, Andrea, read. What do you wish? Andrea? Andrea? Are you here? Is your microphone mute? Okay, so then Bogdan, till Andrea, I don't know, where is she? Okay. Okay, so just pay attention when you write write with capital letter. Okay, that's good. You accomplished the task correctly. Thank you, Bogdan. Let's move on. So, Andrea, could you continue?
Yes, but I don't see your screen.
So, you should read from your screen. But let me share it in order that you see all the stickers. It's okay. But start to do it in your... Okay, so do you see it? Do you see it now? I shared the screen. Okay, so please do it.
I wish I were in Czech Republic now.
If
I had more energy, I would take more.
Okay.
Because I don't want to forget my skills. Why shouldn't I forget my skills? Because I work hard to achieve these skills. Why did I work hard? Because I enjoyed it.
Okay, so did you finish any art school, or if you said that you want to improve, to continue your skills or to improve them? So did you work on painting? What have you done?
Yes, I went to an art school, but quit before I graduated.
So you didn't finish it. You didn't move till the end. Okay. So what do you like to paint? What do you like to paint, Andre? What was your last work?
It's complicated to explain.
Why? Was it something difficult?
Difficult, but hard to explain.
Okay. When it was?
On Friday.
That's great. Okay. So.
No, Sunday.
How usually do you paint? How often, let's say?
Maybe
once a week. So that's great move because it improves your creativity, and you will need it not just for yourself but for your future, even job, family, and so on and so forth. That's great. So I encourage people who likes and who enjoy painting, and I try to motivate my sons and my daughter also to paint, or just to create something, maybe to sketch, not even just to paint but to draw, in such a way developing their creativity. It's a very important thing to develop these skills. This skill. Okay, thank you, Andrea. Let's move on with Tit. Yes, Tit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Degrade. Okay. Yes. So you could just because why do you need to go in the city? Because it's not good to stay in the house. Why it is not to stay? Why it is not good to stay in the house, and you should move on. It's not why for the first sentence, but you move with why for the next your steps. But it's okay. Thank you. It's okay. So next, please, with the pink one, Christy. Yes. Quickly. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. So your wish is not to have a lot of homework, yeah? Or to have less homework. Okay, so in a way you didn't submit the correct task, but it's okay. So you should continue. If I had more energy, I would run 2 kilometers. Yeah? And why would you run 2 kilometers? And I should continue your idea. Okay, but it's okay. You also have written some ideas a little bit additionally. Okay, so Dragos, please move on. Oh, it's here. I just move it. I moved a little bit up to see it because your screen with your names are here, and I don't see your sticker. Student in the school. Okay. Student. Okay, good. Okay, so pay attention, student, and successful we write with one L. Okay, successful. Yes, usually we write this kind of adjective with one L, even if we have the suffix full. Full is when you write full separately, you write it with double L, but when you write in an adjective, it's successful. Okay, thank you that you edited. Good. Another person, so I don't see all your stickers. Who has fix? Do you see Anna Maria? I don't see. I don't see Ionela. Mai în vale. Okay, so Ionela went it somewhere and I don't... okay, it's okay. You could move, but it's okay. It's okay. So, and Valeria Zlatov, I also don't see your sticker. Did you fix it? Valeria? What? What is your sticker? Did you fix your sticker? Uh-huh. Okay, okay. So please, Ionela, read your
I wish I had more free time. If I had more energy, I could record
Okay, so very good. That's good. Okay. So, Valeria Caldari, did you succeed to do it in your copybook? Okay, very good. Do it. Okay, thank you. That's good. And Valeria Zlatov. So if you didn't succeed to fix it, read from your own board. Okay, that's very good. Yes, thank you. Thank you for your shared ideas. And as you could guess, what is the topic? What is the topic? Wish. Yes. Wish clause or wish clause sentences. Yeah. Okay. So we have a presentation here. I just want you to. Yes, I should just open it, but I stick it here and it should be downloaded. Okay, so just a second. I will stop a little bit. So till I am writing, write wish clauses is the topic. And what do you know about wish clauses? When do you use them? When you want something for your future to express, but it's not always for expressing your future, but to express also what? Your wishes, yes. Also your regrets you express using the wish clauses. Okay, so what about others? Only Dragos is speaking. What do you know about? Are like what? Okay, so do you see here how to express wishes? And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rules. Yeah? Do you see them? So during one person reads the first, so one by one you will read this. Let's do it quickly because we have 2 minutes and the lesson is over. So the time is passing very quickly. Please, Ionela, read the first one. Others, you just write the sketch in your copybook. So quickly, wish, when you use it, wish plus past. Read. Okay, so is it clear when you use it is related to the present or maybe to the future to be different? I wish it is not at the moment the same, and I wish that it would be different. So when you see the example, I wish I ate more vegetables, yeah, but I don't eat. Could you do your own example, some of you? Anyone? Good, your own example. What do you wish but you don't have? Christy, for example, you said, I wish that to get out from the car, I can't get out. Could you transform it using this rule? We are in the quarantine. We want to be different. Change it. Christy. Yes, I wish I want where I could get out, as you have written in your sentence. That's good. The next one, please, Andrea, continue reading. Yes, the second one, yes.
Which was past continuous. We want to be doing a different activity in the present or the future. Wish it weren't raining now. Usually.
Yes, it's usually related to the moment, to the present, and when it's related to now, you could use